Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your hands on Absolute Cuts module in the First Descendant. You can farm this module from specific missions in the Hagios region. Its drop rate ranges from 4% to 5% depending on the mission difficulty. For the best results, target the Ruins Guard facility mission in the Star Road of Hagios. You can farm this mission on both normal and hard difficulties. Once you have obtained the Absolute Curse module, it provides a strategic advantage in Void Intercept battle. After removing a Colossus part, this module inflicts the Dispel effect, which removes any buffs the boss may have applied to itself. This is particularly useful against bosses like the Executioner or Pyromaniac, who can enhance the defenses and make the fight more challenging. By using the Absolute Curse module, you can disrupt the boss ability and gain a crucial edge in these intense battles. And that's it for today's video on how to get Absolute Curse module in the First Descendant. If this video is helpful to you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.